It goes without being said, anyone that's in the know in the technology industry, it's all about the cloud. Whether it's moving from on-premise into a platform as a service, which Oracle offers. The next big thing is ultimately everyone's changing from the homegrown applications, even the old Oracle EBS, into Cloud ERP. So it's a whole shift, and I see it happening quickly from small companies, medium companies, huge companies, multi-billion-dollar companies.
Us implementing, project partners implementing the cloud in-house for our own business. What that did was it basically allowed us to gain a significant amount of learning on what the cloud products was all about from a financial perspective and from a cloud projects and PPM perspective. And it also gave us an in-house environment which we could use as our playground. So, our test environment became a playground for us to play with the systems, to understand what it does, and gain an insight on what we can do with these applications for our customers.
I look at Cloud ERP as being the core function of any project operation.
Project Partners runs Oracle Cloud PPM right now. We run the whole, we run cloud financials and PPM. So we not only understand, how to implement it, but we also understand how to run it, right? And, one of the things that we've been talking a lot internally is around this, what does a good unified solution look like? What are the best tools? And that's an internal initiative that we're looking at right now. There's a lot of things you have to take into account when doing these integrations: size, volumes of data, frequency of operation, all those kinds of things that have to be thought out, right, from a technical aspect. And then you're going to make it even more complicated. You have to turn around and say, hey, now that we've got this, is it functionally going to support what the business needs? So where the challenge lies in that area is really looking at making sure that your partner that you're working with has a good, solid understanding of the APIs that are available to you to perform any kind of integrations that need to be done.
We get a lot of repeat business, so they started with Oracle EBS, they remember us, and they come back to us because they know we know our stuff. We're providing the roadmap from the on-premise EBS to Cloud ERP or cloud technology. And for them to come back to us makes me excited.